Hello guys, welcome to the platform selector. So in this video I will share my honest opinion on topstep, and topstep is not a regular platform like funding pips, because funding pips is a forex platform and this is futures platform. Now when we talk about futures, there are a lot more benefits from forex, okay? Because in the forex market there are a lot of things like manipulation and spread slippage, but in futures there is nothing like that. Now if you don't have any idea about futures, you should check out this video which I already made, and I told you why futures is good than forex. So if you are experienced trader, this video is for you. Now if you are a beginner, you can watch this video, but don't go for the futures trading from now, because if you haven't passed any single account in forex platform, you should not go with futures platform, because in futures platform there are many rules that you need to follow. There are very complexity in futures, and as well as there are very good benefits in future. Now before you think anything like why I am promoting topstep only, you can say there is no any other option in industry. So if you want to trade futures, you need more money, okay? If you are trading in personal capital, so just to avoid that, you can go for the platform, and there is no such a platform that provides you value like that is reliable, and the only platform is topstep, okay? So that's why I'm suggesting you topstep. Why? Because it already been 12 years for the topstep in the industry, so that's why I'm just saying go for this, okay? If you just really want to go with the platform in futures, so just close your eyes and blindly you can go with topstep, because it's very trusted. And what are the benefits you will get? First of all, it's regulated, and it provide you real capital to trade. Also you can request daily payouts, and you will get 100% profit split on your first $10,000 profit, and then 90-10. So that's a good thing, because in futures if you are getting these kind of facility, it's a very good thing. Daily payouts, regulated, and real funding, so there is no any question of legitness. Now one more thing, if you want to trade futures, you need to know a lot more about it, okay? So topstep is giving you free education. They have their own official YouTube channel, and you can go and watch all of the videos, because those videos are very knowledgeable, okay? I'm going to tell you the most important rule in every futures platform, which is very important, okay? In every futures platform there is a rule of consistency. So basically what this rule says, suppose there are 5 days and you make $2,000 in 4 days collectively, okay? Suppose in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, collectively you make in total $2,000 profit, okay? So you don't have to cross the $800 profit limit, because the 40% of $2,000 is simply $800. So you don't have to cross that limit in a single day. So if you are making profit on your 5th day, in total you make $2,000 in 4 days, so 40% of that means $800. You don't have to make that in a single day. If you make that, this is a violation of the rule, okay? This is the consistency rule that you need to follow in this platform. Now it seems that it is not good, but this is very good for the gamblers, because gamblers cannot come in this platform. If you think you can make a lot of money without having proper knowledge, you cannot make, because you need a lot of experience that you will get in forex market, and then you can switch to the futures. Now one more thing, every future platform has trailing drawdown, and I already explained to you why trailing drawdown is the worst drawdown in all drawdown types. So if you don't know about trailing drawdown, go and watch my previous video. Now if you have any idea about trailing drawdown, then you know why it's bad, because whenever you make profit, it just follows you with your profit, okay? Suppose if there is 6% of trailing drawdown, and on $100,000 account, if you make $6,000 account, simply trailing drawdown is going to set on your $100,000, okay? So you cannot withdraw all of your profits. The same thing goes with all futures platform. But in topstep there is one more thing which is very good in about drawdown, which is simply if you have $50,000 account and you make $6,000 there, then they will set that drawdown to $50,000, means on the break even you cannot withdraw all of your profits. But once you make that, the trailing drawdown is not going to increase, it will not follow you, okay? As you will increase your profit, it is going to stay on the $50,000, it is not going to increase. So this is very good thing in terms of having a good drawdown. Now already you know there is no spread, slippage, and any commission in futures platform. So it is very good to trade in futures, but you have to have some experience with that, okay? Really think about it. If you don't have any spreads, okay, if you have zero spread, then you can go to the 15-second time frame and trade there. Many traders do this, but if you are a new trader, you should have experience at least, and go for forex platform, pass that, and then come to the futures, okay, after having proper knowledge. Now before we dive deep into the details of this platform, make sure you subscribe this channel for the further updates and don't forget to follow us on the social media. So let's get ahead. So this is the top step website, and here you will get only three challenge type. Okay, so first one is 50k, 100k and 150k. Now one more thing that you need to know, which is contract size. So in forex you trade with lot size, but when you trade futures you trade with contract size. Okay, if you don't know about this, just go and watch my previous video which I already made. So here you have to make $3,000 on a $50,000 account, which is 6%, and your maximum loss limit is $2,000. Okay, which is simply 4%. So you have to make 6%, but you have a loss limit of 4%. Okay, this is for the experienced trader. That's why I said. And really, honestly, if I say one thing, you don't need 5 contract size to trade in 50k. You just need 1 to 2 contract size. Now, here you can see $49 a month. What is this? So basically in Forex, you just purchase any challenge, buy money, and then you can have that account for your lifetime. But here you have to pay subscription. Okay, these $49 is just for a month. Okay, suppose if you pay $49, you can have this account. You have to pass this account basically, and to have this challenge you have to pay $49. And if you pass this challenge in a month, then and you will trade with real capital. Now one more thing here, as you can see, all traders pay one time fee, 149 activation fee. So what is this? When you get funded in this platform, when you get funded, then you have to pay $149 to activate your funded account. Okay, that's the case. So in total you are paying $49 and you're passing your account in a month to have your $50,000 funded account, and to activate that you have to give $149 again. So it's total, you can say, $200 only. Okay, so it's not that much, it's only $200 for a 50k account, and also you're getting daily payouts, don't forget that. Yeah, and here you can see you can directly trade from TradingView. Okay, that's a good thing. Now if you want a trade copier where you can successfully copy your trades from other accounts, then you don't have to purchase any trade copier. You will get built-in trade copiers. You don't have to go for any trade copier. Okay, that's a good thing. As I said earlier, you don't have to go anywhere. They have their official YouTube channel. Go there and watch every single video, because if you have proper knowledge of futures, you are good to go here. Okay, commission free trading, you don't pay anything, you don't pay any fee here. Okay, there is no hidden fee in trading, because it's futures, it's not forex. Okay, one step one rule. Okay, first clear first step and then you will get funded. Multiple accounts, you can access up to 5 express funded accounts. Simple payout policy. Now this is very important, just have 5 winning days of $200 to earn your payout. So if you want your first payout, you just have to make $1,000 in just 5 days. Okay, it's simply you're making $200 each day, and you have to do this again and again for 5 days. Okay, just 5 winning days, and then you can request your payout, and the payout processing is very fast. Now when you have a top step certificate, basically there is a trend on LinkedIn. If you have a top step certificate and you're putting it on your bio, it shows how professional you are in futures. Okay, suppose if you violate any rule, suppose if you just hit your overall drawdown limit, which is 4%. So for an example, if you have $50,000 account and you hit this drawdown limit $2,000, then you have to simply pay monthly fee, and then they will activate your account again. And that's a good thing. All of the pairs here, you can trade gold, crude oil, futures. Okay, so everything is here if you want to trade. And most people trades E-mini, S&P E-mini. So this is here. Okay, as you can see, ES and NQ, these are the major pairs. And if you're trading NQ or ES, then you don't have to trade with 5 contract size. Okay, now if you're thinking, if I place any trade on TradingView, then there is a broker issue. But this is only happens in forex. Okay, in futures there is a fixed broker that you will have, which is CME. If you search any futures, then if that relates from CME, trade on that. Okay, now this is the only thing that you need. Okay, if you just want to know about all of these things, here are the videos. Okay, watch these, watch these videos to have a proper knowledge. Okay, now this platform is from 12 years, and also it has a good trust pilot rating. Now if a platform is sustaining from 12 years with a good trust pilot rating, then it simply means it's legit. Okay, You don't have to go anywhere. It's a legit platform. You can trust blindly on topstep. Mostly they are focusing on your education because they don't want to lose you. They are giving you real funding, so if you lose any amount they will lose as well. Okay, they have their Discord community, you can join there. Okay, and you can learn every single thing there. Okay, so now the most important thing, as you can see every picture here. So that's why I'm suggesting topstep, because it's very transparent. You can see every face here and experience that they got in trading. So that's a good part. Must read FAQs, because I always suggest you to read FAQs first. Here you don't have to pay more than $149 as an activation fee. Okay, if you have $150 account or 50K account, it doesn't matter. The activation fee is the same price no matter which account size you trade in. They are simply saying topstep fund traders from all around the world. Even if you are not a US citizen, you can earn a funded account with topstep. Okay, there are few countries that we cannot legally do business with. You can learn more by viewing our eligibility page. Okay, so you can check out all these things. Let's see the payout policy. What is topstep payout policy? Here you can see topstep has the best payout policy in the industry. Now what is this? You get 100% of your profits after accumulating 30 winning trading days. Okay, traders can request a payout up to 50% of their account balance after accumulating 5 winning trading days as per request. Okay, as I said, you have to make $200 or more just for 5 days. You have to have 5 winning trading days, and then you can request your 50% balance. Okay, how can I request a payout? Now this is interesting thing. Payout are processed daily but may take up to 10 business days. Now don't think these are the payout days. Okay, you are requesting your payout on daily basis, but it depends on the payment method what you chose before. Okay, now as you can see, the available payment method are ACH up to 10 business days, and if you are doing bank wire transfer, then it will take only 3 to 5 business days. Okay, it depends on your payment method, but they are sending your payout on the same day, but it is just coming to you in just 3 to 5 days. Now minimum payout request is $125. Remember this. What is the profit split? Traders will receive 100% of the profit from payouts up to $10,000. Now here the interesting thing is that you will get 100% profit split up to $10,000 first, and when you get that, only then you have to split your profit with them. Okay, only 10%, so you are getting 90% split, which is very good thing. Now here I was saying the type of drawdown. Okay, now as I said to you, once the payout request is processed, the maximum loss limit will automatically be set to zero. The trader cannot allow the balance to reach or go below zero after a payout. Okay, as I said to you, they will simply set your account on the break even. Okay, if you have $50,000 account and you made $2 to $4,000, they will set your drawdown on the $50,000. So now if you have any other platform as well, you can go here and check out everything. Tradovate and TradingView. How can you connect Tradovate to your TradingView? Okay, everything is here. You don't need to go anywhere to know about it. Okay, now this is not that detailed video on topstep, but I have covered every single important thing in this, and now you have a basic idea how can you trade in futures. Okay, so hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to follow us on the social media, and that's it for the video. Till then, take care and goodbye.